And the way manyo kuru result you go through the portal, I think is something manyo ko wadok na sirkal ero kamano ni bero okonyo chama pesa style manyoro igole go pesa chien kacha. At least it can be affordable, and if only a few issues must around it can be corrected, it could be better. But one thing manyaka wachi en nyaka nyo weche gi wuogi poko we know a very strong statement coming from the government. Ma explain ni anga manyo timore momiyo at one moment is not no result machal kama to bangda kama maptege cha kono mugwenyore. I think these are some of the issues if well explained, and then going into the future it will be better to streamline my we will have some kind of hope and believe the release system exams would be better and be a bit affordable for our parents and our students. But anyway, ni duoko ge emam chiwo transition programs and the routes ne students. Now kanya thi onongo, for example, grade A minus. The specific courses they look forward towards that. Now when they're brought again down to another lower grade, brother teacher no, it becomes very demoralizing, and it gives a little some lack of hope and the stakeholders may not always be believing in the way examination makenya bedo rand. Ninja winjo ni pinje maoko dwa kubedo gi doubts in the examination systems makenya. I think that is very unfair. Kadiponi pinje maoko bro chako bedo gi doubts in our certifications, and therefore kaje nyithindo budo ya mundo the episode pinje maoko, they'll be subjected to some kind of certification and processes can be demoralizing than what they have done in Kenya, which is very unfair. I don't work for ministry of education. Ministry of Education ni saga promoting CNEC, KICD, and many others. And these sagas are administered, are led by very strong professionals. They are professors. Professor Njegere of NEC is a person mostly through the education processes. I think if the lack of tools, then let the government give tools to these sagas to work professionally to deliver credible results. Nikeche ingeyo ni ka penj duoko mar penj, for example KCSE inyalo nang duoko mopogore. It also brings views. Ni Kenya kai perhaps this system could have been hacked. Could it be true? Ni ngara hack system mar results ma Kenya alter them in between, and therefore students will get two different results. I think that should be explained. Kenya saying hacking systems. Were these systems hacked or not? And how strong are these systems? They cannot be hacked, so that we can believe. Or else they should take us to the old systems. Much on result ni kama school. Man result ko tritu nyaga chimo or school either manually than putting us through systems